the citation first. Divine Mercy School of Bukidnon Incorporated, Santo Domingo, San Fernando, Bukidnon, Certificate of Recognition for his or her commendable performance for the school year 2025-2026, thus hereby awarded with high honor with a general weight average of 96.27%, given this 25th day of March 2026 at Divine Mercy School of Bukidnon Incorporated, Santo Domingo, San Fernando, Bukidnon, signed by their advisor, Lydion E. Berdin, School Principal Ophelia M. Miyage, and our School Director, Engineer C. Hernani C. Miyage. This certificate is awarded to Ivan T. Berdin. He is also Best in Empowerment Technology, Best in World Religion, Best in Mathematics, Best in Practical Research, Best in PH4, Best in Entrepreneurship, Best in Production, Best in Physical Science, Best in Trends, and Best in DRRMO. Also, he is most responsible. punctual. Another certificate is awarded to Daniela May B. Bahadi as generous student. Another certificate is awarded to Joshua B. Alolino as most helpful student. And now for the special award. Let me read the citation for the special award. This certificate is proudly awarded for his commendable leadership as a SSLG President of Divine Mercy School of Bukidnon, school year 2025-2026. This certificate of leadership is awarded to Ivan T. Verdi. May I request the advisor, no? Okay, for grade 7. This certificate is awarded to Nathan Lane Trosona, awarded as with honor with a general weight average of 93%. He is also best in Araling Panlipunan, best in science, best in English, best in TLE, best in values education. Congratulations, Nathan. Also, he is awarded as Performer of the Year, Most Active and Most Resourceful. Congratulations, Nathan. Give it up. Another certificate is awarded to Jimban Rich B. Reyamos, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 91%. Is also awarded as Best in Mapping, awarded as Most Trustworthy and Most Responsible. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Clint Vincent T. Gabrielius, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 91%. He is also awarded as Best in Filipino and awarded as Most Punctual. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Julian Clark M. Lago, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 89%. He is also awarded as Best in Mathematics. He is also awarded as Most Neat and Clean. Congrats, Julian. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Andy Hill M. Ras, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 88%. He is also awarded as Most Courteous. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Rita K. Mantuan, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 85%. She is also awarded as Most Cooperative and Most Helpful. Most industrious, Ryan C. Decor. Athlete of the Year, Jerome Manlipato. Dancer of the Year is awarded to Cherry May Lee Fitness. Most cheerful is awarded to Ian James Bihano. And most polite, China A. Oban. Congratulations, grade 7. Give it up. Pakita kami sa birthday, ha? Okay, congratulations again, grade 7. And now for grade 8. Another certificate is awarded to Echelin E. Cabigues with high honor with a general weight average of 95%. She is also awarded as Best in Filipino, Best in English, Best in Arabic Palipunan, Best in TLE, Best in MAPE. Congratulations, Echelin. Another certificate is awarded to Rachel M. Mayog with honor with a general weight average of 94%. She is also awarded as Best in Values Education, Best in Science, Best in Mathematics, and Most Responsible. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Risa Louise B. Mardin as a achiever with a general weight average of 88%. She is also awarded as most active. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Angel M. Maglantar awarded as a achiever with a general weight average of 88%. She is also awarded as most behaved. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Divine A. Dinoro, awarded as achiever with a general weight average of 88%. She is also awarded as most polite. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Junaire S. Navaja, awarded as achiever with a general weight average of 86%. He is also awarded as most diligent. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Juanito May Alulino, awarded as achiever with a general weight average of 85%. He is also awarded as most helpful. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Jasmine Lee Dipas, awarded as achiever with a general weight average of 83%. Another certificate is awarded to Blessy Mamangao as most neat and clean for the school year 2025-2026. also awarded as Best in Science, Best in PLE, Best in Aralin Panlipunan, Best in Values Education, Best in MAPE, Best in Filipino, Best in English, Best in Mathematics, Most Responsible, Most Punctual. Sana. Another recognition is awarded to Lilith Sokutan, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 87%. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Ella Dayamos, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 88%. She is also awarded as Most Behaved, Most Active. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to ICA Dayamos, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 87%. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Mark Anthony Ayag, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 85%. He is awarded as Most Polite. Another certificate of recognition is awarded to Shalini S. Sabala, awarded as Achiever with a general weight average of 82%. She is also awarded as Most Neat and Clean. For our most generous in grade 9 is awarded to Princess Jane Cavite. Most helpful for grade 9 is Ayan Manlumihay. Most diligent for grade 9 is awarded to Kisha Kate Apolinario. Most industrious is awarded to Renaline Notivo. And for their most generous award is presented to General Madeline Upan. Congratulations, grade 9.
Look who we are. We are the dreamer. We make it happen. Cause we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamer.
For grade 10,
Cause we can see it.
another certificate of recognition is awarded to Jaime B. Alonino Jr., awarded with honor with a general weight average of 93%. He is also awarded as Best in MAPE, Best in Values Education, Best in Technology and Livelihood Education, Best in Aralin Panlipunan, Best in Mathematics, Best in Science, Best in English, Most Responsible,
We make it happen. Cause we believe it.
Best in Filipino,
We are the dreamer. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. Cause you are. Happy
Angelica Batantan, Achiever, average of 86%. Most behaved, Christine Maglantar, Achiever, 86%. Most helpful, Rina Joy Barrio, Achiever, 85%. Most active, most diligent, sorry.
Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we believe it.
Jeline Abala, most diligent. Sherry May Gonzaga, most generous. Livcito Linasa, most industrious. Hari June Muso, most punctual. July Kanuman, most polite. Jasper Ian Birdie, most neat and clean.
Now look at me, it's got to let me on me day. If you wanna come down with me, the door is open and every day. This one was to rendezvous all in my head. This what we do, how we do. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. It's too hard, that we can respect, oh yeah. It's too hard,
For the grade 11, Ella May E. Perdip with high honor with a general average of 95.33%. Best in math, best in PE, best in Filipino, best in physics, best in practical research, best in 21st century, best in creative writing, best in humanities, most responsible. Shaira Grace Villamor with honor with a general average of 94.41%. Best in Agri-Craft, best in reading and writing, most neat and clean. Fernan Paul Mabili, Achiever, with a general average of 88%. Most active. Connie Zangi Medina, Achiever, with a general average of 85.8%.
look who we are,
Most punctual.
we make it happen,